Students will read the session 3 of the topic, the police son-in-law. Now shall read the topic and discuss and try to set the answers and try to set the difficult words meaning. At the dead of night, he tried to get the pudding from the pot. अर्धरात्रि he tried to get pudding from the pot. से चेष्टा कला किभली भाव में से खीरी खायापाई पट थिबा पात्र थिबा खीरी खायापाई बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दुर्भाग्यवशतः इट फेल ऑन हिज हेड से पात्रटी ता मुंड ऊपर पड़गला. हिज होल बॉडी वाज स्मियर्ड विथ राइस पुडिंग लाइक गम. तार समग्र शरीर खीरी पड़ी अठा हो गला. व्हाट टू डू नाउ कौन करा बर्तमान. ही थॉट टू हिमसेल्फ ने चिंता कला. ही सॉ फ्रेशली प्लग्ड कॉटन स्प्रेड ऑन मैट टू ड्राई. से देखला तोला जाइथिबा किछि तुला गोटे सप उपर थुआइतला सुखाइवाई थुआइतला. ही स्लेप्ट ऑन इट एंड टर्न 2-3 टाइम्स लेफ्ट एंड राइट. से तोला पर से शोक 2-3 थर डाण डाण हो एपट सेपट हो गला. देन ही लुक्ड लाइक ए लैम्प. से गोटे मेंढा छुआ भाई देखाला. व्हाट टू डू ना से कौन कर बर्तमान. ही थॉट टू हिमसेल्फ. ही वेंट टू द काउ. काउ से गोरु गुआल थी गुआल थी से गला. से वेयर सम लैम्प्स लिव्ड जोड़ी किसी मेंढा छुआ रोते. ही स्टेड देयर थ्रू आउट द नाइट लाइक ए लैम्प. सारा राति से मेंढा छुआ भली रहिला. In the morning, in-laws searched for their son-in-law and found him in the cow shed. सकाळ है शाशु शशुर खोजिले शेष देखिले गोरु गुहाल. एवरीवन एक्सेप्ट द मदर थॉट हिम टू बी फुलिश. समस्त छड़ा शाशु भाविले गोटे कौतुक कथा निर्बोध कथा. बट द मदर इन लॉ सो प्लीडेड निवेदन कले. माय सन इन लॉ वाज सिंपल एंड इनोसेंट एज ए लैम्प. मो जोई वो सरल और निरीह मेंढा छुआ भली. दिस मेड द फादर इन लॉ वेरी एंग्री. जहाँकि ससुर को बहुत राग मारला. ही वाज ऑल्सो वेरी एंग्री फॉर द अदर रीजन्स. अन्य कारण से रागी थे. His wife took too much care of her foolish son-in-law. से तांको स्त्री जो अधिक परिमाण रे निर्बोध जोई की भल पाउथिले. से गेव हिम गुड फूड बट नेग्लेक्टेड हर हजबैंड. तांको भल खाद्य दौले आ निज स्वामी को हेला करथिले. द सन-इन-लॉ लिविंग कंफर्ट. जोई अति आराम रोते was not willing to go home. तेणु से जीवाई चाहू नथिले. Now student comprehension question. I discuss the comprehension questions answer. What happened? The son-in-law tried to get pot of the pudding. When the son-in-law tried to get the pudding, the pudding pot fell on his head. What did he look when he was turned on cotton? He looked like a lamb. What are the two fun sides? First, the pudding fell on his head and smeared his body like a smeared, and other he was looked like a lamb. Where did the laws find in the morning? In-laws find the son-in-law in the cow shed. who thought him to be foolish. His mother-in-law thought him to be foolish. Why was the father-in-law angry? His father-in-law angry. He was angry for his reason. His wife took too much care to the foolish son-in-law. Will the son-in-law stay here always? No, the son-in-law will not stay here always. Now we start the fourth part of the topic. The father-in-law therefore planned to how to drive him out. ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଚିନ୍ତା କଲେ କିଭଳି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଘରୁ ତଡ଼ିବେ. They had a lemon plant full of green lemon. ତାଙ୍କର ଅନେକ ଲେମ୍ବୁ ଗଛ ଥିଲା. One day he said to his son-in-law, ଦିନେ ତାଙ୍କ ଜ୍ୱାଇଁଙ୍କୁ ସେ କହିଲେ, kind son, please, you have seen our lemon tree. ଆମ ଲେମ୍ବୁ ଗଛ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଦେଖିଛ? Lemons were stolen by thieves at night. ଏ ଲେମ୍ବୁ ଗଛ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଚୋରମାନେ ଚୋରି କରି ରାତିରେ ନେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି. I will be happy if you can watch the plants tonight. ଆଜି ରାତିରେ ତାକୁ ଜଗିବ. and care the thief, ଚୋରକୁ ଧରିବ. He also gave his son a club. ଜ୍ୱାଇଁଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଠେଙ୍ଗା ଦେଲେ. In the darkness of the night, the son-in-law was waiting for the thieves to come. ରାତିରେ ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ ଯାଇ ଜଗିଲେ ବାଡ଼ି ପଟରେ ଚୋରକୁ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ. The father-in-law wished to take water ice and asked his wife to bring a fresh lemon from the lemon plant. ତେଣୁ ସେ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ପଖାଳ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା କଲେ. ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ ସେ କହିଲେ, bring a fresh lemon, ଗୋଟେ ତାଜା ଲେମ୍ବୁ ତୁମେ ତୋଳିକି ଆଣ from the lemon plant, ଲେମ୍ବୁ ଗଛରୁ. When the mother-in-law was plucking a lemon, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଶାଶୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲେମ୍ବୁ ତୋଳୁଥିଲେ, the son-in-law thrust her the club, ଠେଙ୍ଗାରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପାହାର ବସେଇଦେଲେ. To be a thief, ଚୋର ଭାବିକି. Coming to know that he had beaten his mother-in-law, ସେ ଜାଣିଲେ ଯେ ଶାଶୁଙ୍କୁ ସେ ମାରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି, he felt so ashamed, ସେ ଲଜ୍ଜିତ ହେଲେ, that he left for his home that night itself. ତେଣୁ ସେ ଲଜ୍ଜାରେ ସେହିଦିନ ରାତିରେ ନିଜ ଘରକୁ ଚାଲିଗଲେ. The father-in-law had a great sigh of relief. ତାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଗୋଟେ ଦୀର୍ଘ ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ଛାଡ଼ିଲେ. Students, I will give you the meaning of some critical words. ଆଉ ସେଇ ୱାର୍ଡ଼ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମଧ୍ୟ ମୁଁ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିଦେଇଥିଲି. ତାକୁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଦେବ, ଖାତାରେ ଲେଖିଦେବ. ଦେଖିଦେବ ଏଇଟା ଭଲ ଭାବରେ. Now students, we discussed the comprehension question of this paragraph. Why was his son-in-law willing to not go home? The son-in-law will not go home because he living comfort. Who went to bring lemon from the garden? The son-in-law went to bring lemon from the garden. Why did he beat the mother-in-law? The son-in-law thought that he was a thief, so he beat his mother-in-law. What made him leave for his home? When he beat his mother-in-law, he became ashamed, so he left home that night. Is there anything funny in this part? Yes. Was the father-in-law happy? Yes. Which expression in the next tells you so? That is, the father-in-law had a great sigh of relief. Students, I discussed the topic and also question and answer. You will try your best to answer the questions and send me to my WhatsApp number. You also know my WhatsApp number, that is 99388300014. Then tomorrow we starts the next grammars, that is post reading topic. You also do your best and answer the questions and send me to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.